Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about a particular problem for the that maybe arise during the setup of ASUS X450L with the pen drive, with a bootable pen drive. My computer faced this problem and I found the solution in this way. At first I made my pen drive bootable with the software named Yumi, and the version was 2.0.005. It is available in the website. You can download and use it. Okay, after it is a multi-boot software, it can be used to install boot the pen drive with more than one iOS file. At first, you have to run this software. After running this software, during running this software, you will find this type of dialog box. Then you have to click on the I agree. Then it will be installed, and after installation, it is automatically detects the pen drive that is already inserted in the computer. In this case, my computer has the pen drive, which is the D drive, and the name of the pen drive is multi-boot. It is 14 gigabyte pen drive. If you have inserted more than one pen drive, then you have to click on this icon, show all drives. Then you will find that all the drive that has been created within your computer will be shown. After selecting this pen drive, then you have to go into the step 2, select the distribution output on D. The distribution output, I was trying to install Windows 8.0, so my installation output, distribution output was Windows Vista 7.8 installer. Then you have to choose this one. After choosing this one, then step 3, it will ask you to select your ISO file. Then you have to click on the browse, and after clicking the browse, you will find the ISO file. Before using your pen drive, one thing you should remember that you have to format your pen drive into NTFS format. That will provide you the best output of this software. Then after completing your booting, the pen drive will be booted. After booting, you have to find out the BIOS key in the ASUS computer. The BIOS key is the escape key. In case of ASUS computer, you have to start or restart the computer, and you have to press, or you have to just hold the escape key. Do not release the escape key until the BIOS menu opens. Or if you want to know the boot menu, then you have to press and hold the F2 key until the BIOS screen displays. Do not release the F2 key until the BIOS key menu or BIOS screen displays. Okay. This is the part of BIOS screen, and this is the part of BIOS menu, boot menu. In the boot menu, you can see that in the BIOS menu, you can see that there is Qualcomm Atheros boot, Matsushita DVD RAM, and Toshiba MQ. These three things will is allowed to boot within this computer, but my pen drive is not showing in this list. So I have to do something so that my pen drive is displays, and this is my pen drive. But how this pen drive name changed, I don't know how this pen drive name changed, but this is my pen drive. This was my pen drive, and it at first it didn't appear in the list. Then I have to go through into the main BIOS menu. From that I have to go into the advanced. From the advanced I have to go to the USB configuration, and from the USB configuration you can see that there is legacy USB support, which is enabled, and XHCI pre-boot mode, which is smart audio. Then you have to disable this smart audio, and the legacy USB support must be enabled. After completing this task, you will find that this is the name of the pen drive. Then you have to press on the F10, and you have to restart the computer holding the ESC key or escape key. then you will find this pendrive name. Then you have to click on this pendrive name. After clicking this pendrive name, this UMI multi-boot USB will open, and you have to choose other OS and tools. You have to click in this other OS and tools. After clicking this other OS and tools, you will find all the operating system that has been booted with your pendrive. And if you do not choose this option, it will automatically boot in 18 seconds. That means it will automatically boot, and in that case the installation will not continue. Okay, after complete installation, you have to configure with the net framework. And how will you configure the net framework? I will show you. If you do not have the net framework, then your computer will show this type of message. This message shows that download and install this feature, Windows Net Framework. And Net Framework 3.5 includes Net 2.0 and 3.0. And you can install this Net Framework without the connection of internet or using any megabyte. The thing you have to do, you have to insert your bootable pendrive or the pendrive that you have been created with UMI insert your pendrive into the computer. Then you have to open your command option, and you have to open the command option as by run as administrator process. And after opening the command prompt, you have to write these letters into the command prompt. And if your pendrive is G, then you have to write the G, or if your pendrive is D, you have to write the D in this section. Now let me show you how you can open the command prompt in the administrator mode. You have to go into the search button and click on the search. After clicking on the search button, you will find you have to write the CMD. Command Prom will appear, and then you have to right click on it, and you have to choose the run as administrator. Then after commanding on the run as administrator, you will be able, and now you can see that the command prompt has opened and it is said as administrator command prompt, and you have to write down the letters that as I have demonstrated you earlier in this section. After completing writing in this section, you have to hit the enter button. You have to hit the enter button. After pressing the or hitting the enter button, you have to at first write this one, dism.exe space /online space /enable -feature space /feature name :net capital letter fx3 space /source :d : /sources /sxs space /limit capital letter L access capital letter A. Then you have to hit the enter button, and then this dialog will open, enabling the features, and 100% completion will in the operation completed successfully. Then your net frame is already done. In this way, your installation of Windows 8.0 32-bit completes within the ASUS computer. Thanks to all for listening.